So you just got your order of wheels from AudioCityUSA. Congratulations! Here are the tools you're going to need to install them, and we're going to go ahead and install them together. First things first, you're going to need a torque wrench. This you'll use at the end to torque down the wheels, but before that, you're going to need a socket, you're going to need either a wrench or an impact, and the spline key that is provided in the kit. Not to mention, you're also going to want a jack or a way of picking up your car off the ground, and make sure you want something sturdy so that it is nice and secure. We've got our wheels, we've got our tools, and now we're going to go ahead and install them. First things first, you want to test fit your wheel without anything in it. As you can see, this one has a little bit of play in it, so if that is the case, what you're going to want to use is this hub ring that we have right here. This is a hub ring, we would have provided it in the kit, and Jose is now going to go ahead and install that because this has a little bit of play. Now with the hub ring installed, you can hear that the wheel is no longer knocking and it is ready for the lug nuts. So now Jose is tightening in the lug nuts with the provided key. First, you want to hand tighten these. That way your wheel doesn't go anywhere, but it prevents you from over torquing. It also prevents you from cross threading your bolts, which is something you definitely don't want to do. So once you've got them all finger tight down, you can now tighten them down with a wrench or an impact. Next, you want to lower your car, and finally use a torque wrench to finalize the correct specifications. Now, your car will have different specifications, so make sure you look in the owner's manual so that you don't over tighten or under tighten your wheels. And once that's all done, your car is now ready to go. Repeat the same step for all 4 wheels, and that's it. You've just successfully installed your new wheels from AudioCityUSA. If you need any help, feel free to give us a call on this number, and we hope you enjoy your new wheels.